We saw how to create an employee record and how to make the employee active and inactive. So we have seen all the different perspectives in the studio. Now let's continue with the other models for the travel claims application. I have created the mode of travel model and defined a process flow for it which is very similar to the employee master. You can see it. Mode of travel has two fields, travel mode and rate per kilometer. I designed a simple form with which is very much similar to what we have done in employee master. This is the form. You can see the process is very much same as what we have done in employee master. Okay, I have also created the other models, travel claims and claim details. Okay, now we will see how to link the various models so as to get data from one model into another. Let's see into this in a claim details model. Okay, this actually comes if you have already saved the model as a draft in your local machine. I mean this button, if you have said that using this floppy icon, the model will be saved in the local machine, whereas the other two, save in tag and save in server, saves the model in the server. So I'll just load it from the server itself. The claim details model actually has these fields, date of travel, mode of travel, kilometer traveled, rate per kilometer and travel amount. The basic idea is the user will enter the date of travel and mode of travel and the distance traveled in kilometers, and based on the mode of travel, the system should automatically pick up the rate per kilometer, and based on this and the kilometer traveled, it should calculate the travel amount. So let's see how to do it. First we have to show what are the mode of travel which is available or which are applicable based on the company. So this data is actually put in mode of travel, which we just saw. So this is the mode of travel model. So we need to show the values which are entered in this travel mode over here in claim details model in mode of travel. So first we have to link these two models. So click the mode of travel field and click on the connect button in the cells section. Now what you are seeing is the referential connection wizard. Since we are going to just refer to this model, choose as reference, and the model is mode of travel. Now you get a list of fields which are there in mode of travel on the right pane. We need travel mode, so choose travel mode and then say create. Now we'll get options to enter the advanced properties, like if you have any criteria, like we have an active state for each and every mode of travel over here, so either we can activate or deactivate, and in the application we have to show only those mode of travels which are in active state. So let's give a criteria, click on the small plus. Now in this, all the fields in mode of travel will be listed. So we need active, so choose active. The second one gives the operators for using the criteria. Ours is equal to. This third cell says you can either give what I am going to give. I mean active is equal to what? Either a static value which I am going to define it over here, or is it going to be depending on a field in the current model, that is claim details. In our case it's going to be value, so I'm just saying value. Since it's a boolean over there, I'm just saying and 1. So click OK. Now you can see a drop down comes over here. Click on the drop down, you can see auto, which was entered over there. I will test it by putting some sample data over there in mode of travel. So I'll open the mode of travel model. First let me save it. Okay. Open model, mode of travel. Okay. I have already entered two sets of data. Like you can see bus, which has active status no, which means it's inactive, and the other one is auto, which I have set as active. So only the active thing came up over there. Let me show how to create this sample data over here. We can create more than one set of data actually. So to do that, you can do it in two ways. Either the first one is, as you can see, a small button over there which says create new instance. If you keep the mouse over there, you can click on it. A new instance will be created. Click to enter the instance. The other way is, in the cells section, click on insert button, and in that choose insert instance. You'll get a new instance. You can click and choose it. Okay, now you can just enter the sample data over here. So I already stated bus and auto. Now let me say train. Say rate per kilometer would be 7. I'm making it active. Let me just do one more. Travel mode, let me say it as flight. 10. Let me keep it as active as no. I'll just save it. Okay, so now I have 4 sets of data: bus, auto, train, and flight. Of these 4, I have made flight and bus as inactive, and auto and train as active. And we have mentioned the criteria as active is yes. So if you open it and see over there, we have to get only train and auto. You'll see that. Okay. So you can see we are getting only auto and train. Okay.